Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity. It is a pleasure to be here.
Okay. So, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Farida Naila Arofa. I hold an Bachelor of Applied Science degree in Electrical Engineering Technology from Poli Batam. I have worked on several projects, including line follower, an aquaponics system, and an IoT-based security robot.
Nice. So, what technical skills do you have?
I have experience working with Altium Designer, KiCad, and Altispice for electrical design and circuit simulation, as well as AutoCAD for mechanical design. And I also have hands-on multimeters, oscilloscope, and basic soldering from my laboratory courses.
Uh, can you tell us about the project you did?
Okay, I'm working on an IoT-based security robot to monitor the fifth floor of the GU building at Poli Batam. The system uses Raspberry Pi 4, Raspberry Pi Camera V2, and a LiDAR sensor. As the mechanical engineering, I designed and assembled the robot body using AutoCAD and coordinate with the electrical team on the wiring layout. In the end, the robot was successfully built and could navigate and monitor the area autonomously.
Oh, okay. Did you face any challenges in the project?
The most challenging part was fitting all components into the robot body while keeping structure balance. I revised the design several times in AutoCAD until everything worked properly.
Okay. What are your strengths?
I would say my strengths are in electrical and mechanical. I'm detail oriented when working on PCB layout, and I work well in a team. A show through my project experience. I'm also a first learner, which helped me adapt to new tools and technologies quickly.
Alright. Last question. Why do you want to work in this field?
I enjoy applying my design skill to real-world system. Through my project, I gained experience in embedded system and IoT, and I want to keep growing and contribute in this field.
Great. Thank you, Naila. We will get back to you soon. Have a great day.
Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.
Excuse me. Good morning. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Good morning. Please have a seat. Okay, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Asnan and I'm a second year electrical engineering student. I am very interested in electronic and circuit design, and I have experience designing and building a PCB for a class project.
That is great. What technical skill do you have?
My technical skill are software design and PCB making. In our lab classes, I learned to use the soldering iron and oscilloscope to build and test circuit, and I also know how to use a KiCad to design schematic and PCB layout, which I use for my final project.
Okay, can you describe a project you have worked on?
In our electronics course, my team had to design a working PCB from scratch for our final project. I was the lead designer, so I was in charge from the schematic design until the final testing. I used KiCad to design the layout uh, with the board with and soldering iron and check out the signal with the oscilloscope. The PCB passed all the tests, and our team got positive feedback from the instructor.
Okay, what challenge did you face during the project?
While testing, we found that some solder joints were causing short circuit on the board. I had to find and fix all the faulty joints before our deadline. Used a multimeter to find its short circuit, then carefully resoldered the bed joints. After that, the circuit worked correctly, and we submit the project on time.
What would you say? Are you straight?
KiCad was not taught in our class, so I had to learn it by myself. Needed to learn it well enough to use in our real project, and the time was short. I read the documentation and practice with small design first before using it for the real project. I finished the PCB design successfully. I think this shows that I can learn fast on my own and pay close attention to detail.
Why you are interested in working in this field?
I have always been curious about how electronic devices work, and studying electronic engineering made me even more interested in it. I wanted to build a real practical skills, not just learning the theory. So I joined lab session actively, and I looked the role of my designer in our final PCB project. Now I have a solid skill in software design and PCB making, and I'm excited to keep learning and growing in this field.
Thank you, Asman. We will contact you again soon.
Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you.
It was nice meeting you. Take care.
You too. Have a good day. Okay, Nela. Now we move on the feedback and reflection session. I will give you some feedback first, then you give me yours. Is that okay?
Sure, go ahead.
Overall, I think you did well. Your introduction was clear and easy to follow. Your answers were also well organized.
Thank you. I was a little nervous at first, but I tried my best.
I noticed that too, but you handled it well. One thing to improve, your strength answer was a bit short. Try to add a specific example next time.
That's a good point. I will work on that. Okay, now for your feedback. Your project explanation was really detailed, and I like how you use the STAR method for every question. It made your answer very structured.
Thank you. I practiced that part quite well.
But maybe try to be a bit more relaxed when you're speaking. You sound a little stiff at times.
Got it. I think we would also need to work more on our confidence.
Agreed. But overall, we would stay professional and use good technical vocabulary. Good job.
You too. Let's keep practicing.